everyone, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, 2025 at 17:45. And today we have our day 2 outlook. I'm a little bit on the later side of doing this, but at least I'm doing it. So, for tomorrow we have a slight risk here that encompasses parts of Minnesota, Iowa, over into Nebraska, and down into Missouri. So yes, we do have slight risk for that area tomorrow. And then the marginal risk goes from Minnesota through Wisconsin, over in Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, and Nebraska. So yes. Oh, and we do have a little bit of South Dakota having the marginal as well. So yes. So anyway, let's see what cities we've got impacted for tomorrow. We have Omaha, Lincoln, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, and Davenport under a slight, and Kansas City, Missouri, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, and Overland Park under a marginal. So let's see what we've got for tomorrow's risks. Tomorrow we have a tornado risk of a 2% for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, going into Nebraska, Missouri, and a little bit of Kansas. So yes, we do have that as well. So again, we have Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Lincoln, Des Moines, and Kansas City, Kansas under the 2% tornado risk. So we could see a brief EF1 tornado touchdown tomorrow if it does become strong enough. Going into the wind risk for tomorrow, we got a 5% here for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, a little bit of Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri having the, and a little bit of Illinois having the 5% wind risk as well. So yes, we do have that going on. So we do have Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Lincoln having the 5% wind risk. So we could see damaging wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour tomorrow. Going into the hail risk for tomorrow, looks like this is what we really needed the slight risk for. We have a 15% hatched for parts of Nebraska, going into a little bit of Missouri and Iowa. The normal 15% we got going from Missouri, a little bit of Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota. 5% we have from going parts of Minnesota through Wisconsin, a little bit of Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, and South Dakota having the 5% hail risk. So let's see what we've got. We have Omaha, Lincoln, Des Moines, St. Joseph, and Council Bluffs under the significant severe. Also having those cities, we have Omaha, Lincoln, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, and Davenport under the 15%. But we have the significant severe as the hatched area. 5% we have Kansas City, Missouri, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, and Overland Park having the 5%. So I would definitely say the 15% hatch, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch hail possible. 15% we could see 1 to 3 inch possible. And 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So please be mindful that is a possibility tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's outlook summary, we have isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms are possible, mainly from late afternoon Thursday into the evening, across parts of the eastern central plains to the upper Midwest. Large to very large hail and localized damaging winds are the primary risks. So there you go. There is tomorrow's outlook. We'll go that one more time. There's tomorrow's hail risk. Tomorrow's wind risk. Tomorrow's tornado risk. And our day 2 outlook for tomorrow. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Please make sure you have a way of getting warned. And we will be going over this day 2 outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. Anyway, I hope you stay weather aware and make sure you take today to prepare. Anyway, that's going to do it for me. Take care.